Hello everyone, welcome back to another Moku tutorial. Today I will show you how to set up an invisible wall. I know I've made a lot of videos on this same topic, but I just want a edited video version, if you know what I mean. So first, you want to go to volumes. You want to get a blocking volume. This is your invisible wall. You want to drag it in. Wherever these lines are is your boundaries for the invisible wall. So this is a cube, so if you can't walk in it. Like, past this line here, you can't walk past this line. And that's it. That's how you make an invisible wall. You can scale it over here. Like, I could set it to double its size. And I can move it closer to the player. I can save. We can test it out. So the invisible walls are here. So I'm running a jump and then it stops. And wherever these boundaries are, is the size. These lines are with the boundaries where you can't walk past. Change your size, test it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.